So I had said that I was going to give you an answer to this problem. The first thing I would do with this problem is to make it easier to look at. So since this is subtracting a negative, that's going to be the same thing as adding its opposite. So add, so subtracting a negative is the same thing adding its positive. So you have x plus 3 is equal to a negative 11. So if you start to think about this number, if we put a negative 3 in, it would be 0. If we put bigger positive numbers, it's not going to help us. So in order for this to happen, we have to have a bigger negative numbers. So even if you started to guess at this and you said negative 10 plus 3 would get us a negative 7, we still need to go all the way to negative 11. So we have to go 4 more times. So if our guess was 10, we have to go to negative 14. So negative 14 plus 3 gets us a negative 11. Now, the other way we could take a look at this problem is not just by guessing and checking, but once we get to this problem, don't we know that if we add this way, isn't it subtraction this way? So if we subtract those two numbers, we end up with a negative 11 minus 3. Negative 11 plus a negative 3 gets us a negative 14. So knowing our other options, so knowing that one way it's addition, the other way it's subtraction, we can arrive at this 14. And we can go check our answer by plugging a negative 14 in here. Negative 14 minus a negative 3. We end up with negative 14 plus 3, and there we go. We'll end up with a negative 11 with checks. All right? Hope that helped.